Hey y'all, it's Jamie Deen and Teresa is here. So you know that I'm here in the chicken bars. Teresa's come down today and brought me a recipe that I absolutely love. We were going to do some crab cakes today. Not crab cakes, but we're doing a crab dip today. The crab cakes, crab dips, crab fingers, crab toast. We've been eating a lot of crab here on the coast. You know, my mom and Mike pull blue crabs out of the creek all the time. And it's only better than the crabs I'm making for you today is the crabs that mom and Mike get because they're free. It can get expensive, but everything in this whole world is expensive. So today we're doing a very simple put together recipe for y'all. So you can offer a crab dip if you have people around your house this summer. It's a no bake, so it's really easy. I've got 2 8-ounce packages of cream cheese that Teresa set out where it's nice and soft for us. You want to get this soft because we're going to blend this together. This is your typical standing stir, nothing to it. You work with your cream cheese soft, it makes it so simple. I've got some sour cream here. I'm going to use half a cup. So half of this container of sour cream was going in. Into this, we're going to add our lemon juice. You know, check you'll find all the ingredients. Y'all know how terrible I am about measurements. So I've got my lemon juice in. I've got 3 teaspoons of chives that are coming in. Love chives. I love Teresa even more. She puts my things together so nice and how easy this is. I would like for her to follow me all day for my whole rest of my life. It's about 1.5, and this is about 1.5, or it's here. This are 3. I hate to waste any. You're going to add a little bit of fresh parsley to this as well. This is 2 teaspoons of parsley. I'm going to try my best not to get any of these big leaves at the bottom. Here, chop this up. Parsley is one of those things that you can grow in the yard. Our youngest son, Davis, is growing basil right now. Basil is extremely versatile and easy to grow. And so we started with that with Davis. Parsley, same family. Easy to grow, and you could use it in more ways than you think. Little sprig of parsley on any dish really finishes it off. About 2 teaspoons of this in here. I've got 1 teaspoon of horseradish that's going in. I like it a little spicy, so I'm gonna add a little bit more. And I've got 2 teaspoons of Worcestershire sauce. Worcestershire sauce, that's about 1. That's about 2. I've got salt and pepper, y'all. Put maybe a teaspoon or so in there. And then salt, I'm gonna give it a good mix. So that's about a teaspoon. The recipe calls for a half. And now this is our love crab that we're using today. Make sure that you strain this off. This is an 8-ounce package is what we're using today. But this has been strained. I'm gonna dump it right in. Now this is what Mama always would say when we're working with crab. Don't tear it up, don't tear it up. So you want to work gently with this. So I'm gonna leave my crab out of it until I get the majority of this blended up. You really, if you're not careful, your crab can turn into what looks like a can of tuna fish. And you really want to keep the integrity of these lumps so people know what they're eating. So I would suggest, and y'all know me, I'm no professional. Well said. I'm gonna work this cheese and these things together over here until I get my crab in there. Because you see, I'm really getting onto this. I want to make sure that my Worcestershire and everything is well blended. So I just kind of play Frogger with the crab, pushing it out of the way, get all my ingredients done. Looking good. Now I'm going to tumble this in and very gently break this up. This is more pieces than lump, but I don't want to make it any more broken up. So I'm going to gently fold all this together. Now, you know, there's a bunch of different ways that y'all can do things. I tell you every time, change your recipe, make it your own, do what you want. You could put this into a dish and pop it in the oven for a few minutes and make it a warm crab dip if you wanted to. But this time of year, with it being so hot outside, I'm gonna keep it cold. Got this cute little dish. That's good. Saved a little piece of my parsley. Hey, Shug! The only thing I'm missing. Hey, Will, would you hand me a lemon, please? Yeah. We serve off these plates here at the Lady and Sons, and this makes a really nice set. And y'all know that I'm talking colors. I want to talk about colors and textures and all different kinds of things. So this plate is as pretty as it can be. The only thing it needs is a little bit of color. Now, if I can talk and put this together while I'm working with y'all, this is certainly something that you could do at the house in 15 minutes before your next party comes. Woo! It's crab dip season, y'all. I'm Jamie Deen. This is the Chicken Box. I'll see y'all around the kitchen. Thanks.
Hey y'all, it's Paula Deen. Now, if you enjoyed this video, be sure to like it and click the subscribe button as well as the notification bell to be alerted when I post a video. Love and best dishes, y'all.